Welcome to this math problem. So I will read the problem statement. X over x minus 1 to the power of square plus in the bracket x over x plus 1 whole square is equal to 10 by 9. Then we need to find the value of x. Let's see the solution of this question. So here inside the bracket term, so x over x minus 1, that one we need to consider as a, and inside the bracket of this x over x plus 1, so we consider this one as b. Okay, now substitute these value in this given equations, then it will be a square and plus b square is equal to 10 by 9, right? So and this one, this LHS term we can simplify. So we can simplify. So as we know from the a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So here this term a square plus b square is there, so I can write here. So here this LHS term, so a plus b whole square minus 2ab I will write. So means what here, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 2ab, 2ab will be get cancelled, and the term remains same as a square plus b square, right? So 10 by 9. So now again I am substituting the values. Okay, substitute the values of as we previously considered. Substitute the values of a and b, the values of a and b. Okay, in this, as we, okay, here simplification is over, and we are considering the original values as we have considered as a and b. So I will put the value of here, a value is x over x minus 1. Okay, from this, right, as we have considered. So substituting the value of a and b, then b value is your whole square is there, square I am writing, and no, sorry, here a, this is value is a, and plus b. Okay, plus b value is x over x plus 1, and now it is whole square is there, I'm writing whole square minus 2 into ab. So a value is x over x minus 1 into x over x plus 1. Okay, then is equal to 10 by 9. So this one we, if we solve this one, then if we observe this here, a minus b and a plus b, x minus 1 x plus 1, x plus 1, if we take this one LCM, then the formula will be x a square minus b square. One square is one only, as we know from the a plus b into a minus b formula is a square in a square minus b square. The same thing has been written here. And now if we take here LCM will be x plus 1, and here LCM will be x minus 1. Therefore it will x into x plus 1 and plus x into x minus 1 will come here, x minus 1. Is it right? Okay, now again the second term I'm writing here. So see here, second term is minus of, right? So minus of 2 x into x, it is a square, and here 2 is there, it is 2x square, and here also a minus b into a plus b, then it will be a square minus b square, right? So is equal to 10 by 9 we are having. So again if we solve this one, so here multiplying these terms inside, then it will be x into x, it is x square plus x, and plus here x into x square, and minus x, right, and divided by x square minus 1. Okay, and here minus of 2x square divided by x square minus 1 is equal to 10 over 9, is equal to 10 over 9. So now if x will be get cancelled, and here we'll be having, so here one term has been okay, here square is there, sorry, this term is square is there, I have forgotten to write the square. So here square is there. Okay, then x will be get cancelled, and we'll be having 2x square over x square minus 1 whole square is there, and this will be 2x square, x square minus 1 is equal to 10 over 9. So this term inside this term, So I will just consider, say 2x square over x square minus 1 is equal to u. Okay, so then it will be u square minus u is equal to 10 by 9, right? So and if we take this 9 this side, then it will be 9 into u square minus u is equal to 10. And if we write this one, 9 u square minus 9 u and 10, I am taking this LHS, then it will be minus 10 is equal to 0. And if we all observe this one, so okay, if we observe this one, so this we can write, this we can factorize, here. 9 into 10 is what is minus 90 u square, and this we can factorize as a, so here we can factorize this one as, okay, we can factorize this one as as we can factorize as 15u into 6u. So 15 into 15 into 6 is 90, so it is minus 90 square. And if we add these two, minus 15 plus 16u, then we'll be having the middle term will be get minus 9u. So 9u square, the same thing I am writing here. So 9u square minus 15u plus 6u minus 10 is equal to 0, right? So now, and I just rub this one, and here, so taking here I am taking 3u as a common, so then it will be 3u, 3 into 3 9, 9u square, and here 3 5 3 5 is 15, so it is 3u minus 5, and I will take here 2 as a common, then it will be 3u minus 5 is equal to 0. And now if we solve this one, so here this term and this term will be common, then it will be 3u minus 5, and we'll be having remaining term is 3u plus 2 is equal to 0. Here we can split this term as a two term, 3u minus 5 is equal to 0, and again 3u plus 2 is equal to 0 we can write, right? So now this 3u is equal to 5, and u we can write as a 5 by 3, right? 5 by 3 we can write. And if we solve this one, the 3u is equal to minus 2 and u is equal to minus 2 by 3 value will be having. So here substituting or we can recall the values. So recall of value u is equal to what we have been considered, that is 2x square divided by x square minus 1, right? X square minus 1. So here I am putting the value of u in this first term, then it will be 2x square is equal to 2x squared over x square minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So this term, and 3 I am taking multiplying this side, and this term I am taking this side, this term, okay, cross each other we can take. So 3 2 is 6x square, and is equal to here 5 into, so 5 into x square minus 1, and so here 6x square is equal to 5 into 5x square minus 5. And if we take this one, this term in LHS, then it will be 6x square minus 5x square plus 5 is equal to 0, right? So now if 6x square minus 5x square is x square, x square plus 5 is equal to 0. And if we solve this further, then we'll be having x square is equal to minus 5 x, and then square taking the square root on both sides, then it will be okay, here square root will be get cancelled from the square, then we'll be having x is equal to, x is equal to, so this x is equal to, so this we can minus root 5 we can write as a 5 into root of minus 1, so the meaning is same. So here square root of minus 5 only, I am writing this one is separate because as we know value of I is root of minus 1, therefore I am writing here a value will be plus or minus of plus or, here when taking square root, then it will be plus or minus of root 5, this term is I, right? So we'll be having the value is here x is equal to plus or minus of root 5 into I, right? And say solving the second term here, so this term, okay, solving this term second term, if we put the value of u, that is 2x square divided by x square minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3, okay. And here if we put this value, so then here Okay, here 3 into 2, it is 6x square, and here minus is there. Minus is equal to minus 2 into x square minus 1, right? If we solve this one, then we will be having 6x square is equal to, it will be minus 2x square, minus into minus plus, then it is plus 2, and 6x square, if we take this one, then it will be plus 2x square minus 2 is equal to 0. And we'll be having here, so we'll be having term here 6x square plus 2x square is, it is 8x square, and minus 2 I'm taking this side, then it is equal to plus 2, and x square is equal to 2 by 8, then it will be 2 ones are 2 fours are is 8, it will be 1 by 4. And now taking the square root on both sides, then it will be x square is equal to square root of x square is equal to square root of 1 by 4. And here the 2 square root will be get cancelled from the square, then we'll be having x is equal to plus or minus of here square root of 1 by 4, square root of 4 is 2, then it will be plus or minus of 2. So therefore we can write here, so here also we got two values, right? Here also, this here also we got two values, here also we got two values of x. Therefore we can write here, so x1 is as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and x2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and x3 is equal to we can write plus root of 5 into I, and x4 is equal to minus root 5 into I. So these are the values of x values. These are the possible or answer for the x values. Total 4 values will be having for these questions. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Please hit the bell icons for the notifications. Please do share with your friend. Thank you.